Laser Defense Systems, Inc. I'm going to start by saying the same thing I said in our founders video over a year and a half ago. I'm not here to sell you on an idea. The threat from drone warfare is very real. The difference is that this time, the federal government is saying the same thing. Recently, FEMA allocated $500 million in grants to municipalities and agencies for drone defense here on U.S. soil. The significance of this is clear. FEMA cannot allocate funds unless there is a clear and credible threat. The question you have to ask yourself is, am I willing to wait for help? Or, in keeping with our most basic tenets of self-defense, am I my own first responder? The problem until now has been that your options as a private citizen have been limited. Most either do not work or are illegal to even own. This is why we developed the Odysseus family of optical disruption mitigation tools. The system that we are funding here uses the same patent-pending technology to prevent a weaponized drone from zeroing in on you or your family in its terminal approach as our Do 2. It is inexpensive, a one-time purchase, and it is effective. We hope you decide to join us in better preparing ourselves and our nation against this latest threat to our freedom. Thank you for your time.